If you've ever wanted to speed up your Blender workflow, ChatGPT can be an incredibly useful assistant for writing Python scripts, automating repetitive tasks, and even helping you fix errors when something goes wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT with Blender in a practical, beginner-friendly way so you can start generating useful scripts, running them inside Blender, and troubleshooting problems much faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender and AI tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first thing to understand is that if you want AI-generated scripts to actually work in Blender, you need to be specific. Blender uses its own Python API called BPY, so the more clearly you describe what you want, the better the result will be. Instead of asking for something vague like, make something cool, give ChatGPT a real task and mention Blender specifically. For example, you could ask, write a Blender Python script that creates 50 cubes in a random spiral pattern and assigns each a random metallic material. That kind of prompt gives the AI enough detail to generate code that is much more likely to be useful. Another example would be, write a script to rename all objects in my scene that start with cube to block_number, numbering them sequentially. That's a great use case because it saves time on repetitive scene organization. Once ChatGPT gives you the script, take a moment to read it before running anything in Blender. Make sure it looks like a Blender Python script, and check whether it uses BPY and any other functions that make sense for the task you asked for. If you're not sure whether the code is safe or correct, you can ask ChatGPT to explain what each part does before you use it. That extra step can help you learn while reducing mistakes. Now let's move into Blender and actually run the script. Open Blender and go to the Scripting tab at the top of the screen. This workspace is designed for writing and testing Python scripts directly inside Blender. Once you're there, click New to create a new text block. This opens a blank script editor where you can paste in the code provided by ChatGPT. After pasting the script, double-check that it copied correctly and that nothing important was cut off. Then click Run Script, which is the play icon in the header. If the script is written properly and matches your scene setup, Blender should execute it right away. Depending on the script, you may see cubes appear, objects rename instantly, or other changes happen in your scene. If nothing happens, don't panic. That usually just means the script needs a small adjustment, or there's an error in the code. This is where ChatGPT becomes even more valuable, because you can use it for troubleshooting too. If you run into an error while modeling or scripting, open the System Console by going to Window and then toggle System Console. Blender will often show the exact error message there, and that message is extremely useful. Copy the error text and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ask it to explain the issue and fix the script. In many cases, the AI can identify missing variables, incorrect object names, indentation problems, or outdated API usage and give you a corrected version. This is one of the fastest ways to learn scripting in Blender without getting stuck for hours. A good workflow is to keep your prompts simple. Test one script at a time and build up from there. Start with small automation tasks like renaming objects, creating basic shapes, or adjusting materials. Once those work, move on to more advanced scripts like procedural generation, object distribution, camera setup, or animation helpers. The key is to use ChatGPT as a coding assistant, not just a code generator. Ask it to refine the script, explain the logic, and adjust it for your exact version of Blender when needed. Another helpful tip is to describe your scene clearly. If your objects are named in a certain way, mention that in your prompt. If you want the script to work on selected objects only, say that too. The more context you give, the better the final script will be. So to recap, use ChatGPT to write Blender Python scripts with clear BPY-based prompts. Paste the code into Blender Scripting tab, run it from the text editor, and use the System Console plus ChatGPT to troubleshoot any errors. This workflow can save you a huge amount of time and make Blender feel much more powerful. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Blender script you want to generate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.